All right, so going to finish up this problem with area of a trapezoid. So we have our two bases. Again, doesn't matter which one you pick, just take the bases, add them up, and put them in that parenthesis. So, and then the height for this one, remember, it's going to be from the top to the bottom. So our height here is going to be 16, okay? So we take this and we're going to get 1/2 times our height, which is 16. All right. And then we're going to multiply that by 19 plus 27. Now, order of operations tells us we should do the 19 plus 27, and then we can multiply all that together, okay? So to solve this problem, make sure you're doing order of operations correctly, guys, and make sure that we are doing this part first, okay? Adding that up, doing the 19 plus 27 in our calculator, all right? And when we do that, we should get 46. So basically, we're saying 16 times 46 divided by 2. Because remember, if we're multiplying by 1/2, we're dividing by 2. It's all the same thing, okay? So when we do that, we're going to get a final answer for number 5, all right? This is still for number 5, okay? Our final answer for number 5 is 368, all right, centimeters squared. So that is the answer for number 5, guys. 368 centimeters squared. That is a tricky one, and this is where you have to remember this formula up here, guys. Make sure you have that committed to memory. All it is add the bases, multiply by the height, and divide it by 2, okay? So make sure we understand that. All right, so let's move on here to number 6. We're looking at number 6 again. A rectangle, so all we have to do is 10.5 times 3.7, and once we do that, pretty simple. We're gonna get 38.85 kilometers. Kilometers squared. Okay. So that is the answer to number 6. All right, and let's do green. Let's do number 8 down here. Number 8. So for number 8, another parallelogram here. All they're looking for number 8 is the base times the height. So I'll write that down again for you guys. Parallelogram, it's the same for any parallelogram, meaning rectangle like number 6 or number 8 an actual parallelogram. And all you have to do is do 11.8 times 16.1. What does that give us for an answer? 189.98. 189.98. All right. And that is meters squared. And that is our answer, 189.98 meters squared for number 8. Okay. So looking ahead here for number 9 and 10. All right, for number 9 and 10. If we're looking at number 9, that one's a little bit tricky because we're not used to seeing a problem like this. We're used to seeing the whole circle. So this is just where I think about a pizza. I always talk to you guys about pizzas. So if we're talking about area of a circle, we're talking about the area of the whole pizza. If you look at this, it just looks like we're taking the area of half a pizza, okay? So all we're going to do, if we had a pizza with 20 slices, and let's say we cut it in half, I get 10 slices, you get 10 slices, okay? So all we're going to do is we're just going to find the total area and divide that by 2, okay? So our area formula for a circle is area equals pi r squared. So our radius here is 17. So all we do is pi times 17 squared. Now when we do that, we are going to get a final answer of 907.92. Now, and if we were in class, I'd say, is that our final answer? And I hope you guys would say, no, Mr. Elling, that's